Jining Storike Machinery Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional manufacturer engaged in research, development, production, sale, and service of road roller, mobile lighting tower, concrete scarifier, and other kinds of road construction machinery. Road roller is our best-selling product. We can do from 300 kilograms to 6,000 kilograms as customers request. We're located in the city of Jining, Shandong province, which is one of the Chinese construction machinery production bases. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements, and we can ensure your full customer satisfaction. In recent years, Storike has introduced advanced analysis and testing instruments, professional technical team, and perfect quality assurance system. Covering an area of 6,000 square meters, we have got CE certificate and 1 trademark. Our product was exported to over 20 countries and regions such as USA, Canada, Australia, UK, Malaysia, Italy, and Kenya. Also, our products are sold well in all cities and provinces around China. Integrity, tolerance, innovation, service is our philosophy. Storike believes that integrity is the foundation of all cooperation. Tolerance is the prerequisite for solving problems. Innovation is the tool for development. Service is the foundation for creating value. We also take ODM and OEM order from other company, seeking for international construction machinery partner. Welcome friends from all over the world to our company for visiting and cooperation.